Okay, we're given that sine alpha is equal to 5 over 8, with alpha being in quadrant 1. We want to find cosine of 2 alpha. And so this is one of our double angle formulas. And so the double angle formula for cosine in particularly, there are actually three. So cosine of, let's say alpha is equal to cosine squared alpha minus sine squared alpha, or it can be equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared alpha, or it can be equal to 2 cosine squared alpha minus 1. So technically we don't really need to find anything else. However, I wanted to make sure that you knew how to do it. So I'm going to go to a new page, and let's just talk about how we can actually look for our x and our y, our x, y, and our r values. And so we know that quadrant 1, everything is positive. So that's why I said we technically didn't really have to do anything for this one because we were given everything that we needed. However, we also know that, let's say, sine alpha is equal to y over r, and cosine alpha is equal to x over r, and tangent is equal to y over x. And we know that we can find this using Pythagorean theorem. So if we wanted to find cosine instead, for example, we could do that. So let's do that. So we can plug everything we have into our formula. We know our y and we know our r. So we have x squared plus 5 squared is equal to 8 squared. So x squared plus 25 equals 64. So that's x squared is equal to 39. So x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 39. But we know it's in quadrant 1, so it has to be the square root of 39. So we know that cosine of our angle is equal to the root 39 over 8. So we can use that if we wanted to in our formula. So let's go back to our other page. So like I said, we don't have to use it at all. We can take, oops, sorry about that. Take our formula here and plug it in. So we know that cosine 2 alpha is equal to 1 minus 2. Our sine is 5 over 8 squared. So we can solve that. And we get 1 minus 2 times 25 over 64, which is equal to 1 minus 25 over 32, which is equal to 32 over 32 minus 25 over 32, which is equal to 7 over 32. Now let's see if we can get the exact same answer, this time using what we found our cosine to be. Okay, we should get the exact same answer. So we have 2 times the root 39 over 8 squared minus 1. And I'm using this formula here. And so that's equal to 2 times 39 over 64 minus 1, which is equal to 39 over 32 minus 1, which is equal to 39 over 32 minus 32 over 32, which is equal to 7 over 32. So as you can see, I get the exact same answer either way. I didn't have to go and find what cosine was, but I just wanted to make sure that you understood how to do so if you needed to. And I hope that this helps.